Hey guys, April 22nd, 2022. Today we're checking out Neo. We're looking at a 5-day chart. Now, if you look at this chart, it seems like not much is going on, but I don't know what bank or hedge fund decided they was in too deep and wanted to get out while the getting was good, but it's messing up the chart. Because if you zoom into these 4 days and exclude that one big spike, you can see it is a nice volatile movement we're getting. So it also makes for a good swing trade. You could have bought in down here, sold somewhere up here, shorted back down here, and even intraday for those day traders. I like the volatility. There was opportunity to make money. But let's zoom into today and see what's going on today. So far, it's doing 33 million shares of volume being traded. And as far as the news, I'm not too sure what's causing this news to happen. Neo announces partnership with WWF, Vince McMahon, World Wrestling Federation. No, I'm kidding. That's not wrestling. That is World Wildlife Foundation or something like that, I believe. Not sure what electronic cars have to do with the wildlife, but hey, whatever. Also says Neo and a few other. What's Dragon Hong Kong? Why Neo shares are shrinking today? 5%. So nothing really salient in my opinion, but let's zoom in today and see what is going on. So in the beginning of the first 30 minutes of the day, we had an uptrend, but then it was quickly, well, not quickly, but it was broken at the $18 mark, and now it looks like it's downhill from here. So I don't know, past couple of days, especially with that announcement of Powell, everyone should be looking to short stocks and not going long anytime soon. $17 is, in my opinion, not Neo's normal average price, but it's trying to make it its normal average price. I mean, I think Neo normally trades very well in the 20s and upper to 30s, but things have changed in the past couple months. So maybe this is a new era, a new range. But yeah, as far as playing within this range, you can see it's bouncing very well on this downtrend. I would say this is midday, 12:16. You can still make a play or two. If Neo does get high enough to 760, that would probably be a good point for anyone to buy in and start a short position and sell some, and not sell, but get out of the position somewhere at 1730. So right here. So you can remind me tomorrow I said that if I'm wrong or right, but come in at 1760 short and go back down and get out of the position at 1730 for a quick 20-cent move. There's one more stock I want to look at, which is AT&T, which is not a usually high demand stock in my opinion, but today is making headline news. In fact, let's see what's driving the stock to catch our attention and cause so many shares to move. Right now it's moving at 32 million shares being traded. The bulletins say Verizon stock splits as subscriber loses surprise. I don't know what Verizon has to do with AT&T, but um, the wireless giant continues to spend big on improving 5G network. I gotta find something more salient. Okay, Barclays adjusts AT&T's price target to $22 from 28, so they're being downgraded. Um, AT&T adds wireless customers, HBO subscribers. Mm, so it looks like we got a few downgrades. Powell's signals half point interest hike, rate hike likely in May. So declines in nearly 2 weeks. So this a catalyst for this move. I'm not sure why anybody would be going long here, but let's zoom in. So AT&T off the bat had a nice drop here, and it's been playing underneath the VWAP for the past, I don't know, 2 hours. Let's try to make our ranges just in case we want to foresee anything happening. Come on. No, that's not what I want. It is, yeah, it's this one. So looks like a support is forming at 1950, which I can almost tell you for sure it's going to break it. And as far as a resistance, we're going to be reaching here, but I would say 1964 is that resistance point. As you can see, the volume down here is slowly dying. So I would not be trying to get in now if you haven't made a play yet, um, unless you're trying to do a swing and you're trying to short the swing. That's the only thing I would advise you to do. Overall, trending, let's see if there's something we can foresee from this broader outlook. I wouldn't say it's trending up, even though this can fool you. And you would see over 20 days, it's gradually getting higher. But since this initial pop, I would say it's barcoding. I'll just say barcoding. You can't give these stocks too much credit. But yeah, come on. I don't know why my keyboard's not moving as swiftly as it normally does. But yeah, this is the range it's been playing in over the past 3, 6, 7, 8 days. So right now you're at the high of the range. I still think it's a good time to short, especially if it comes back up to 20. I do not see it going past 2020 with all the bad news that's coming out. So those are your stocks for today. Thank you for checking me out. I'll check you out on the next video. Bye.